Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this, chances are you're on a mission to master English, and you want to do it fast. Well, you're in the right place! In just 3 minutes, I'm going to share 5 game-changing tips that will seriously accelerate your English learning journey. Ready? Let's dive in! Tip number 1, immerse yourself. This is non-negotiable. Think of it like this. Babies learn their first language by being completely surrounded by it. You need to do the same with English. Change your phone language. Watch movies and TV shows in English with English subtitles. Listen to English podcasts while you're commuting or working out. And try reading English books or articles. Even if you start with simplified versions, the more you expose yourself to English, the faster your brain will start to process it naturally. Next up, tip number 2. Prioritize high-frequency vocabulary. Don't get bogged down trying to learn every single word in the dictionary. Focus on the most commonly used words first. These are the words that will give you the biggest bang for your buck in terms of understanding and being understood. There are fantastic lists online, like the Oxford 3000 or the Cambridge English Corpus, that highlight these essential words. Use flashcards, vocabulary apps, or even just a dedicated notebook to master them. Tip number 3, and this is crucial, speak from day 1. I know, it can be scary, but don't wait until you feel perfect. Perfect never comes, even if it's just speaking to yourself in the mirror. Recording your voice or practicing with a language exchange partner, start using the language immediately. Making mistakes is part of the process. Embrace them. The more you speak, the more confident you'll become, and the faster your fluency will develop. Moving on to tip number 4, find your learning style and make it fun. We all learn differently. Are you a visual learner? Use diagrams and mind maps. Auditory? Listen to songs and podcasts. Kinesthetic? Try role-playing or physical activities. The key is to make learning enjoyable. If it feels like a chore, you won't stick with it. Find English language content you genuinely enjoy, whether it's YouTube channels about your hobbies, cooking shows, or gaming streams. Learning should be an adventure, not a punishment. And finally, tip number 5, consistency over intensity. It's far more effective to study for 15-20 minutes every single day than to cram for 3 hours once a week. Regular, small bursts of study build momentum and help your brain retain information better. Set achievable daily goals, even if it's just learning 5 new words or listening to an English song. Small steps, consistently taken, lead to big results. So there you have it. Immerse yourself, prioritize high-frequency words, speak from day 1, make it fun, and be consistent. Implement these 5 tips, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your English skills transform. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend who's learning English, and don't forget to subscribe for more language learning hacks. What's your favorite tip for learning English faster? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.